Hello everyone. Now we are going to see here the next question is Indian customer care automation application. The names of the customers need to be maintained in an ascending order alphabetically. Write a Java program to get the different names and print them in an ascending order. Here we need to make a Java program to print a names in an ascending order in an alphabetical way. Now we're gonna go through it. Now I'm taken that the package I'm gonna taken by this is batch 6, and I imported the Java util arrays for the given names, and I'm taken the public class for the batch package. We need to take the class to run the to activate the code, and then I'm taken the public static void main of strings. Now I'm gonna scan that is equal to new scanner of system.in, and now I'm gonna take system dot I'm gonna print out system dot out dot system dot out dot print system dot out dot println of please tell the tell the number names of in integer, and then I'm gonna give bracket here, close the bracket. I'm gonna give that's it. Please tell the number of names. Now I'm gonna give string no firstly we need to give int n is equal to scan dot next next int of int of and now I'm gonna give system dot out dot println system dot out dot println in that I'm giving in that I'm giving enter that I'm giving enter plus and plus and then names. Now I'm gonna give string name of string names of that is equal to new strings, new string of n. Now I want to scan dot next scan dot next dot line of sorry, dot next dot line, and then I'm gonna give for loop of this int I equal to 0, comma I is less than n, comma I plus plus, and then I'm giving one flower bracket. Here I'm giving names, that is I, that is equal to scan dot next line of next line, and then I'm giving the arrays dot sort of names, and then system dot out dot println of the sorted names are I'm giving the for loop, that is int I equal to 0, I is less than of n, I is plus plus. Now I'm gonna giving that one flower bracket, and then I'm finally printing that system dot out dot println, that is system dot out dot println, that is names of I. Hence now we want to check here the line here into is there, that system dot out dot println, please tell the number. Okay, okay, I got that. Yeah, it's completed. Now I'm given here is to print the alphabetical order in ascending form. Here for that I'm gonna gonna started to print out that please tell the number of names in integer level, and then the int is n is equal to scan dot next int. Then I'm gonna print again that enter the n plus n numbers. and then string names that is equal to new strings, the given number is gonna. Now the scan dot next line I'm taken the, and then the for loop is int, the condition is I is equal to 0, I is less than n, and I plus plus. Here the name I is equal to scan dot next line, and the array sort is the, and the names are the array sort, and then finally, and then I'm gonna print that the sorted names are the ascending order, the format of the, after formation of the format which is in the place in I. So I'm giving the for loop in this condition also I is equal to 0, I is less than n, and I plus plus, and finally I'm gonna print the names in I. I'm gonna executing it. Yeah, here it is. Now I'm gonna giving some example is apple, which is starting with a. Sorry, firstly I want to give how many names I am gonna give. So I'm giving that two names. We need to give more than one number. So I'm giving two. The first name is Karunya, Karunya, which is starting with K, and the second one is Paul. Here the K is smaller than P, so we get same like that. And we can give the another example. I'm taking the two names. The first one is apple. Sorry, I'm take that reverse one. First one I'm take mango, and the second one is apple. Here by the ascending order of this alphabetical order, A is first and mango is next. So we want to check, we have to check it. Here you can see that the short names are given by the ascending order. Here starting letter is A, is the smaller than M, so apple comes first and the mango comes next, hence proved. Thank you.